Hey, NathanGDavis here again. Today I'm going to show you all about 7 and 8. So let's get started. So we're back at the piano. You remember the scale I showed you? There's 8 notes in the scale, but 7 of them are unique. It starts with C, goes to D, E, F, G, A, B, and then back to C. So the 8th note is just a repeat of the first. 7 different notes, 8 in the scale. Alright, you remember the 2-octave scale? There's 8 notes in the original 1-octave scale, and then you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to equal 15. Okay, do you remember the 1, 3, 5 harmony I showed you? Well, what if you keep up with the pattern of playing every other note all the way to here? You have yourself a 7th chord. And what you can also do, you can just take your pinky up one to play a what I like to call 4-note major chord. You're just doubling the octave, as it were. So, 7th chord, 8th chord. Moving past the piano, check this out. The number 8 is the basis for all the digital numbers. And guess how many segments there are in the number 8? There's 7. I'll just interject this one. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 5, 6, 7, 8 here. You can say 56 equals 7 times 8. I like that. It gets better. The most important highway in my life is Georgia Highway 78. I mean, I live right off it. It's the most important one. I got to travel down it to get anywhere. And guess what kind of gasoline I use to travel down Highway 78? 87 octane. Okay, now I just found this one last night. This is crazy, but you can look it up. The air that we breathe is mostly just 2 different elements. And wouldn't you know, they're elements 7 and 8. No! Yes. And that's not all. Guess how much of a chunk this is? 78%. The air is 78% nitrogen. Wow! Well, I hope you like that as much as I do. 7 and 8, definitely, probably the most meaningful numbers out of all of them. I'm excited to do the next one.